Hi Year 7s, it's Miss Rowe and I'm just recapping the computer software lesson we went over this week. So let's get going. So in lesson we went over the learning outcomes. You should be able to explain what computer software is, able to identify the 3 types of computer software. And we did a little starter. So what is computer software, and write 3 examples in your workbook, which you did complete that. So computer software, so if you think of the hardware when we're all sat in the class, hardware is the physical pieces of computer. So think of the things you can touch in the classroom. So the monitor, the mouse, the keyboard, the CPU or the tower that looks like this here. And software is the programs that run on your computer. So software's inside, not inside the tower that can be touched. It's the actual programs that run on your computer, like games, etc. A computer needs to be told what to do. If a computer isn't told what to do, it wouldn't be able to do anything when you log on. You just turn it on and it would be on. That's it. It wouldn't do anything else. It wouldn't load Windows. It wouldn't load the login screen. It wouldn't do anything. Software is the instructions that tell your computer what to do. It also lets you listen to music, play games, do your homework, or search the internet. So we'll go over a few of those today. 3 types of computer software. So this is what you might need to know for end of topic test. So application software, this is what we use to play games or complete homework. Utility software, this is used to set up or maintain a computer. So if anything's wrong or you get a virus, normally that will be utility software that you use. This is system software, this is what helps run the computer. It includes the operating system. So like in class we go over Microsoft, or I ask you all who's got Microsoft Windows or who's got Apple. Well, obviously that is a great example of the system software. This is right. And then, so if we go on to the next one, so application software. So if you didn't get any of these in your book, write it in your book now. So this is what we use to play games or complete homework, and it also lists a lot of other things as well. It helps us a lot, application software, and it's definitely used to entertain us. So Microsoft Office, you can do your homework on there. Microsoft Excel, you can make a spreadsheet for things you've sold or help your parents out and want to make them a spreadsheet. That's where that's done. Microsoft Publisher, Serif Web Plus, Serif Movie Plus, Adobe Photoshop, PC games like solitaire and pinball. And I know that we had this conversation and that not many people knew what solitaire or pinball was. But if you just think of games you play on your computer, whatever the game is, whether you put a CD in or you have to download it from an app online, this is all application software. And Scratch, which I know a lot of you put your hand up to say that you've dealt with the cat from Scratch in primary school, and you'll be going over that again in a few months' time. Utility software. Now, this is software that helps you maintain, set up and configure your PC. So examples include antivirus, disk cleaner, backup software, screensaver, system restore. So if you have a look here, these are, as we were talking, some people in the class knew what defrag was on the computer. Well, they're types of apps. All these here are antivirus. You might have seen them at your computer at home. Well, that is classed as utility software. So if you haven't written that down in your books, make sure you get that down. Even if you put antivirus, for example, AVG or Norton, whatever you have on your PC, that'll just help you remember that it's utility. System software. System software helps run and maintain the computer. It includes operating systems, drivers, file manager. Well, drivers are obviously the things that, say you use a laptop at school and you need to print something out. Well, you haven't got any installations on your laptop, for example, so you might just use the plug. So you might use the USB, put it straight into your laptop, and then in the bottom corner here, where you normally see the clock on Windows, in the bottom corner, it will say, oh, drivers installed. That'll then let you print. Same as if you put a USB in and your phone's attached because you want to charge it. It'll bring up a little notification in the corner just to say, drivers have been installed. You can now use your camera, and so on. So system software, think of operating systems, iOS, Android, Linux, Microsoft Windows. Just think of that when you're writing anything down for system software, because I noticed a few of you were getting system software and utility software a bit confused. So have a look at those again, and we'll just move on for now. So this is the sheet I gave you. I've marked it. I'll give you next lesson. Like I said, a few people were getting system software and utility software a bit confused, slightly. So we'll go through that a bit more tomorrow for a recap, because I believe the end of topic test is next week. Okay, thanks for watching.